Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng move in. So, move in with me. Hello mga ka-delight! Welcome back to my channel! So today, join me as I take on the challenge of moving into my new place and transforming it into my dream space. I am beyond excited to share this journey with you mga ka-delight. Today, as I finally move into my new place. I'm so grateful because the Lord put me in this place, and I want to have you guys along for the ride. Packing up my entire life into boxes and bags has been a challenge, to say the least. I mean, who knew I had so much stuff? It's crazy how much we accumulate over the years. And it's even hard trying to decide what to keep and what to donate or throw away. The hardest part for me has been trying to figure out where everything is going to go in the new house. I've been measuring rooms, doorways, and furniture, trying to visualize how it's all going to fit together. It's like a big puzzle, and I'm determined to get it just right. And let's not even get started on the logistics of the move itself. Since just me and all my stuff are going, I decided to do it myself and just use my car for the move and not to hire somebody to do it for me.
A few moments later.
There were a few friends who helped me with the heavy stuff like the TV and the side tables. Big shout out to Rowena and Steve for the big help. Thank you guys. It's been a lot to handle, but I'm feeling pretty confident that it's all going to come together smoothly because the Lord is with me. I'm feeling a mix of emotions, excitement for the new chapter, but also a little bit of sadness leaving behind the old place. It's weird to think that I'll never be living in that house again. But I know that this new place is going to be so much better because I know that the Lord has a plan why He put me in this new place. We are finally at the new house. It's looking even better than I remembered, and I can already envision how I'm going to decorate the room. The initial walkthrough was amazing, but now it's time to get to work.
A few moments later.
Hindi ko alam paano magkakasya lahat to. Sana kasya. Napakadami. Yeah! Tadaan mga ka-delight! So natanggal na po ang ating mga boxes at lahat ng gamit natin dito around the bed. So dahil pagod na po ako, ay ready na po akong matulog, kaya lalagyan ko na po ng bedsheet ang aking kama at bukas naman, let's call it a night. Unahin na nating lagyan ng bedsheet ang ating kama para makatulog na tayo dahil maghapon tayo naglilipat At madaling araw na po at katatapos ko lang mag-unbox at mag-unpack ng mga gamit ko dito. So, ready na po akong matulog. So, tomorrow naman po tayo mag-aayos-ayos ulit. Mga ka-delight, this is the kitchen area. So, kumuha ko ng isang part para sa mga gamit ko dahil ayoko makishare ng mga gamit nila. So, I put my own kitchen stuff and utensils and everything dito sa isang side and the rest pwedeng gamitin ng iba. So, ayan po, dahil shared kitchen siya, may kanya-kanya kaming area. So, ayan mga ka-delight, ang aking room tour. So far, yan po ang mga naayos ko. Nailagay ko na po yung mga picture frames ko. Dun sa my wall, as you can see, sa tabi po ng mga bintana. Yan po yung mga Bible verses ko para lagi akong ma-remind kung gaano ako kamahal ng Panginoon at lagi ko siyang kasama at nagpapalakas sa akin ang kanyang mga salita. So, I wanna see it every single day when I wake up. So, ayan pa lang po ang naayos ko so far and I'll give you the final touch kapag nakaayos na po lahat ng mga bagay-bagay at nakalagay na yung mga maliliit na kung anik-anik sa mga dapat nilang kalagyan. Pero in the meantime, lalo na po dito sa my bathroom, bibili pa po ako ng mga lalagyanan ng mga skincare and yung mga gamit ko po sa banyo kasi wala siyang masyadong covered sa taas. So, sinukat ko na po yung gilid dito para po makabili ako ng mga drawers para kung saan mailalagay ko yung mga skincare products ko para hindi siya nakakalat at mas neat tingnan.
The next day.
I'm here at the deck having my lunch. Beautiful view of the park. So, there you have it. Magla-lunch na na.
The next day.
Mga ka-delight, nag-shopping nga po pala ako online para doon sa lalagyanan sa ating banyo at para dito sa ating TV. Nag-shop po ako ng collapsible na mga containers na pwede nating lagyan ng mga stuff natin para at least organized pa rin siya at hindi mukhang makalat. At bumili din po ako ng 4-layer na organizer cart na pwede ko pong ilagay dyan yung mga gamit sa banyo like yung mga skincares, lotion at mga kung anik-anik para hindi siya makalat tingnan at mas ano lang siya, malinis at maayos. At ito naman ang ating mga collapsible boxes na ilalagay natin dito sa ilalim ng TV para mas maging organized ang ating console.
The next day.
Ay, siya nga pala guys. Just an update, katatapos ko lang po mag-move out. So, nakapag move out inspection na tayo. So, clear na. And then, yung deposit natin, meron siyang interest na $27. Pero may deduction din tayo na 75 kasi sa wall paint. So, yeah, just a quick update. Ganun pa ang ginagawa nila dito pag mag-move out kayo. So, after nyo matanggal lahat ng gamit nyo sa bahay, yung iiwan yung apartment, magkakaroon kayo ng ano tawag dito? Move out inspection. So, i-inspect lang ni owner or ng property manager yung sitwasyon or yung kondisyon ng apartment or bahay na iiwan nyo. Magno-note lang siya dun kung anong mga kailangang palitan or nasira, whatever. And then, dun sa bago nyong nilipatan, magkakaroon naman kayo ng move-in inspection. So, magkakaroon kayo doon ng move-in inspection. And then, ganun din yung process. Titignan nyo kung ano yung mga hindi gumagana or meron kayong gustong papalitan or meron doon na gusto nyo tanggalin or whatever. So, ganun po. And then, magbibigay na po kayo ng security deposit. Siya nga pala, dun sa move-out inspection, so, kapag na-i-release na sa inyo, nabigay nyo na rin yung susi sa kanila, ite-deposit yung security deposit nyo sa account nyo within like 15 days, makukuha nyo na yon. So, pwede nyo pick upin yung cheque or ite-deposit sa account nyo. Okay, so yun lang po ang update. Pagod na pagod ako guys. 2 days tayong naghakot at nag-unpack ng mga gamit. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang update ng aking new place. I'm feeling so grateful to the Lord that we made it. And I'm excited for this new chapter of my life. It's not perfect, but I have my own space. And I can't wait to make it feel like home. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on this moving journey. If you've got a moving story of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my new video where I'll be sharing my decoration process and turning this house into my dream space. So I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you and take care. Bye for now.